A strong ZANU-PF supporter and prominent member of the Varakash for ED online campaign team, Nanaka Gumbo, has declared that the highest offices in the Zimbabwe's leadership structure are sealed until 2030, firmly occupied by President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantine Chiwenga. Sabita mashoko kuda panguva ino aiwa tiona kuti ZANU-PF support anouya panguva ino achiti no vacancies mupresidium. Subscribe like vatambopeera ipo. Tipinda kuna uzere mukanya pamuchinzi. Gumbo made the bold claims via his official Facebook page on Thursday amid mounting speculation over succession battles and internal jostling within the ruling party. Reports. The offices of the President and Vice President of Zimbabwe have got no vacancies, he wrote. Kusvika 2030 Emmerson Mnangagwa and his Vice President, the retired General Constantine Chiwenga, are moving the Republic in a progressive motion ahead Vision 2030. Gumbo went on to reaffirm loyalty to the current leadership, stating, tinoda kungoti pamberi nababa Mnangagwa neVision 2030 vanenge vachipo and vanenge vachimbotonga pamberi negwara remusangano. He also used hashtags such as Vision 2030, hashtag ED delivers, and ED promise. Slogans often repeated in pro-government social media messages and made a note to controversial businessmen frequently vie with ED, which say waking up. Gumbo's comments appear to endorse the continued leadership of both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga until 2030, despite swirling rumors of factional divisions within ZANU-PF. The ruling party has not officially responded to his post, nor has it addressed concerns about internal succession tensions that have periodically resurfaced. Political analysts have long warned that unresolved leadership ambitions could destabilize the party ahead of the next election cycle. For now, Gumbo's remarks suggest that loyalists are closing ranks around the current leadership, even if some of them in the party may have different ideas behind closed doors. The office of the president and cabinet is yet to issue a formal statement on the 2030 agenda. Doma Shupari for hour. Kudzema fundo eni motivi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Wabvina comment section yedu vanhu eni subscribe like kuti wambotoita ipapo.